Hey there everyone, I'm so excited to see you here again in this video. Today we're doing another makeup look. This is the makeup look that I do when I'm rushing, and I usually finish in about 10 minutes. So I hope you like it. Let's get straight into it because I am actually rushing right now. So first of all, I'm starting off with my La Roche-Posay Triple Repair Moisturizing Cream. This is my favorite lotion that I love to put all over my body and my face. This is my baby, which I have actually used for a very while now. If you know, you know. It is an amazing fragrance-free cream, which I really appreciate. Okay, so I put that all over my face. If you like a toner, make sure you put the toner right before this cream because it has more of like that consistency, which is more thicker. Almost forgot, let's put on the timer just so that we actually finish this on time. My timer is going to go for 10 minutes and here we go. Next, after that, I am going with my CeraVe sunscreen. I usually do like a few pumps and then put it all over my face as well. Today is finally sunny. This is the only time out of the whole month of filming for YouTube consistently I get a sunny day to film. Can anyone congratulate me because I'm actually happy today. Okay, that is on. Now I'm going to work it into my neck just to make sure everything is blended. Okay, so when it comes to me rushing and doing my makeup really quick, I do have to make sure that it lasts me a while and also looks really nice and glowy and looks really good. So I don't want to go ham on the foundation and concealer. I'll just do a few drops of it and apply it with my brush. So I have a little mixing tool here. I will be using my Luminous Silk. Just going to be adding a few drops here. And I will be taking my brush and then just tapping it into my skin. I'll make sure to go over every piece of it just because I want to make sure everything is one tone and looks even. So I do put my concealer and my foundation over to my eyelids because I do have thinner eyelid and it gives me like a red tone, as you could see, and I do see a lot of veins, which I do not prefer to see. Okay, we are at a 7-minute mark. I think we're actually doing really good. I'm just gonna finish off with whatever is left on the thing just to make sure that everything is even and blended. I'm making sure that I bring it over to my neck as well just to make sure that everything it looks even and monotonal. Okay, so now we are going to get into a concealer. I'm going to be doing a little bit of a concealer, not too much. I have one by ColourPop here. I think it's ColourPop. I don't see any. Okay, I believe this is ColourPop. I'm not sure where any branding on is. Let me actually get another one because I'm confused. I'll be using my light shade, Luminous Silk, shade number 3. This is Armani. I'll just putting under my eyes and making sure that I look like I have slept a little. This is my concealer. I'm going to blend it with my finger. Guys, we have 5 minutes. And then I'm going to go in with a blush. I'm gonna make sure that everything is even. I'm gonna spread it out evenly and drag the concealer over to like the areas where I feel like need more coverage. For example, like acne and the spots that are darker than the other. Okay, and I'm just gonna make sure my forehead is also blended. And now I'm going to go with a brush as well. Okay, so the base is all done now. I'm going to start off with my eyebrows. So for the eyebrows, I have my micro brow pencil by NYX. This is shade Taupe. And I'm just going to fill my eyebrows in really quick, really lightly. Okay, we are at a 3-minute mark. Okay, let's see, we'll finish in that time. I'm going to be using my Luminous Silk Cheek Tint. This is a tint that I usually prefer. This is the tint that I usually prefer to use when I do my makeup, which is usually in the summer. This gives me like a more of like a sunburnt look and I am obsessed. It's just the perfect color of like pink mixed in with red, and it's not really purple as many might think it is. Okay, let me just blend that in. I have 2 more minutes, and for my bronzer I'm going to use 2 of these shades here. This is from Sephora. I really don't have enough time to explain everything, but just follow along. I'll also make sure to bring down the bronzer over to my eyelids to make it look like I have like some color in my eyelid. This is a quick hack that I've learned when I was rushing to work, let's say. And for my lips today, I will be going with my lip pencil from NYX. This is shade Nude Truffle. I will just be quickly outlining it like so. Also, I just got my new lip gloss from Armani. This is their new drop. This was sent to me by PR, and I tried it out yesterday and it was just so pretty. Look. Pretty. Just look how gorgeous this lip is. I'm obsessed. I have now a few seconds to set in my under eyes, and then I'll be moving on to my mascara. I will be doing it with pink setting powder, and I'll be bringing it over to the eyelid as well, just to make sure that that doesn't crease too much. Okay, now I will be going in with my eyelash curler just to make sure that eyelashes are curled. I'll fit that in. I have 1 minute left. I think I will be able to make it. So I will be using my base primer and mascara right after. Oh my god, this is so scary, you guys. I have 30 seconds left. If I'm looking out to the side, that means I'm looking into the mirror. I apologize. Okay, I just set my face with Glow Milkshake by Kula. This is a new brand. Timer just went off. I am so happy that I was able to do everything in 10 minutes. This was not a challenge. This is usually how my makeup goes. This is just me rushing to do all and make it really nice in time. So I really hope you liked it, and maybe you used some of the products that I have used on here. I am really obsessed with this lip gloss. I really think it's a good drop. I think I'll be using it again. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope that you enjoyed it. I do try to upload every single day on my Instagram right here. If you're interested in watching any makeup hacks or beauty content, I post there as much as possible. Follow me on there. Let's be friends. I also do try to upload as much as possible on YouTube, at least 2 times a week. So if you are interested in watching more of my videos, make sure you click like, subscribe, and the bell notifications on to not miss anything out. I really hope you liked this makeup look, and I can't wait to see what you think down below. I will see you on the next one. Goodbye.